Most men chase women, but the men who truly attract women never run after them. What makes them different? It's not money. It's not looks alone. It's something deeper, something you can build today. Let's break down what really makes a man magnetic and how you can become the man women crave to chase. 1. Master the silent confidence. Forget bragging or flexing. Attractive men carry themselves with quiet strength. They don't explain themselves too much. Their calm presence says it all. Learn to speak less and do more. 2. Become mysterious, not predictable. Don't reveal every thought or plan. Keep a bit of mystery about your life. Let her wonder what you're up to. Women are drawn to what they can't fully figure out. 3. Have standards and enforce them. A man with boundaries is rare. Don't tolerate disrespect, don't chase. When she sees you respect yourself, she'll respect you more than any sweet words could ever make her. 4. Build a purpose bigger than her. Attractive men don't make women their whole life. They're busy building something, a business, fitness, a mission. Women orbit a man who's on his path. 5. Show subtle dominance. Being attractive isn't about aggression, it's about calm leadership. Take charge of plans, stand tall, hold eye contact. Be gentle yet firm when needed. That balance drives women wild. Conclusion. Most guys think attraction is just looks or lines. It's not. It's how you carry yourself, how you lead your life, and how little you need her validation. Master these traits and women will chase you without you lifting a finger. If you're tired of chasing and ready to be chased, hit that like button, subscribe for more real masculine wisdom, and share this with a brother who needs to hear it. Drop a comment. Which trait will you build first? Stay strong, stay stoic. Flexed biceps sparkles.